Have you ever faced any issues with the delivery in your town? Have you ever thought of suing the parcel delivery service provider of your town? But what will you do if I tell you that your issues with the delivery of the products will soon be a talk of the past? Well, as soon as you have already guessed from the title, technology is here at the rescue again to solve this problem as well. And before moving into the real technology, hey everyone, welcome to Tech United. Here you can explore the latest developments in the world of technology. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to continue getting quality content about Elon Musk and technology. That being said, let's begin. Almost everyone in this world has faced problems with the delivery of the products. There are many products which are not available in retail shops, whether it is the latest fashion stuff or food. So we have to order it from different e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Teespring and so on. Usually, the delivery service takes 3 to 4 days to deliver your product to you. Sometimes delivery issues arise and things get worse. But things are improving because the time is changing, guys. Something big is coming, and a change is taking place in our lives. Because the latest news says that now drones are delivering the packages directly to the home. The name of the drone which is designed to deliver is Wing Drone, under the parent company of Google, which is Alphabet. Well, the services of this drone are limited to some countries. The good news is that Wing has delivered the 100,000th parcel in Australia. From the busiest hub in Brisbane, Wing delivered 4,500 parcels in the week of August 2021. That's a great achievement in itself. There is no doubt that Australia has been the primary market for testing and commercial deployment, comprising 30,000 of those deliveries in the first 2 months of this year, 2022. Wing is exploring its services in other countries as well. They provide services in Finland and the USA too, and I must say that the customers are delighted with them, and it is the most significant advantage for them to explore. There is no negative point in this product of Alphabet. Just think about it. You are getting your parcel faster than any other delivery agency. It is faster, safer, and more eco-friendly than what's possible today on the ground. We can say it's value for money. The round number arrives as it announces a commercial partnership with Coles, one of Australia's leading supermarket chains. Now let's get straight into the deal. The deal is that Wing delivers 250 different kinds of items, which include everything from foodstuff to healthcare products and toiletries. That's a massive deal for Alphabet. But there is a problem, and a big one. Before looking at the problem, I would love your efforts if you share this video with family and friends. After all, everyone has a right to get the latest info from every corner of the world. The world is small and the internet made this possible. You can get the latest stuff in microseconds, then take full advantage of the internet, share this video and educate others. Now get back to the big problem. The efficiency of drone delivery in urban areas is still a question mark, due to some limitations of the advanced robotics technology, and most services are more actively looking at terrestrial robotics as the future of last-mile delivery. This technology makes some sense for rural and other hard-to-reach locals, but Wing insists that its approach is suitable for city life as well. Well, this will remain the topic of debate. I will give you more info about this when some critical news comes regarding this. But we know it very well. Integrating drone delivery into daily life isn't just an added convenience. It has added advantages like drastic reduction in traffic, fewer road accidents, and significantly reduced emissions of greenhouse gas. On the other hand, it will boost the sales for businesses to new heights, thus better services and support from the companies. Now let's talk about the design part, because it's crucial and the key player in this situation. Experts designed it very carefully to keep in mind the needs of people. They have done exceptional work. Its light and energy efficient design enables the drone to fly up to 70 miles per hour. And the best part is that it is driven entirely by an all-electric power system with zero carbon emissions. Yes, you hit it right, it causes zero pollution, no wastage, nothing. Completely eco-friendly and safe. These delivery drones fly up to 150 feet above the ground and have the ability to safely deliver packages to a spot that is equivalent to the size of your doorstep. Isn't that incredible? But it is essential to talk about the safety measurements taken by Wing. Wing's unmanned traffic management, what we call UTM tools, and flight planning software that creates a route. This route avoids obstacles and indicates that it's safe to fly to the customer's delivery location. So that's all about its design and structure. Now I would like to take you guys a little back into the past to understand its history. How did it start? And when? What was the purpose of designing the Wing? You would be amazed to know that their primary motive behind designing it was not for delivering parcels and food. In 2012, the team initially set out on experimenting how safely and quickly they can deliver food and medicines using their drones. They designed a system that could bring defibrillators to people having heart attacks with the hope that lives could be saved if the devices arrived faster in the air. They wanted to save lives. Such a pure intention they had. But again, there was a problem. It was a big deal. It's a matter of life and death. They cannot take risks in someone's life. The team soon realized their integration into emergency medical services was a huge risk. After all, developing safe and reliable drone technology was a challenge itself. So they decided to shift their focus on redesigning the system to transport comparatively safer items like small packages across many everyday situations, where the speed of delivery was a significant factor. And what do you guys think? Was it a good decision by Alphabet? I would love to see your views on it. Tell me what you think about their decision in the comments box. I would read all the comments, so don't hesitate to share opinions. The comment section is only for you guys. Use it well. Alright, let's get back to the video. After deciding the fate of Wing, the team investigated different approaches to vehicle design, built prototypes, ran experiments, and tested flights. So what was their goal? Learn as quickly as possible and gather more and more information to improve the safety systems and allow more precise navigation that is critical to operate in this congested modern world. Then the team completed its first real-world deliveries in 2014 in rural Queensland, Australia. They successfully transported a first aid kit, candy bars, dog treats, and water to farmers. After this, there was no going back for Wing. Food was a great early test case for Wing's technology because it's fragile and temperature sensitive, and therefore needs to be delivered quickly and carefully. Then in 2017, the team focused on refining how the delivery drones transport packages directly to suburban yards. And they completed hundreds of deliveries to the yards. See how determined they were. Everything was planned out perfectly. Their goal behind this was to find the best and safest route to home and how to find a safe delivery spot in the yard. The fact is that they are still working on it, and as it is rightly said, that learning is never complete and it should never stop. There is no room for doubt that they really nailed it. For your knowledge, I would like to tell you another fact about Wing. They were also the first drone operator to be certified as air carriers in the United States. According to them, once they are available in your community, all you need is the Wing app to enjoy delivery services. It's similar to any other app which you can use to order, but it is faster and more eco-friendly using the sky. By the way, I am sad for most Asian and African countries as their service is limited to only 3 countries for now. And you guessed them right, those are the USA, Finland, and Australia. Let's hope for the best, that's all we can do for now. There will be a day when Wing will come to other countries and rock the world. Alright guys, that's all for now. Hope you liked the video, consider giving it a like if you want to appreciate our efforts. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss another update from the channel. We'll see you in another video. Until then, peace.